Hey everyone, Anything Tech here. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do an installation on a Recon taillights that I had ordered. I will leave a description and a link below on the unboxing video. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to take out the original factory LED taillights and we are going to replace them with the Recon scanning OLED taillights. Pretty simple process. Probably take me about 10 minutes. So what you're gonna need for this job, you're gonna need a ratchet. 1/4 inch is what I'm using. I'm also using an extension and a T25 Torx. Also a pair of pliers. There are red pins that you will need to pull out. Some press that in, but let's crack these open and let's see what we're working with. Just put you guys down. So before I begin, I just want to show the 2 screws that we will be taking out is this one down here and this one right there. Same on the other side. So now that I have the 2 screws taken out, what you're going to do is you're going to pull towards you and just slide out. Just be careful when you take it out. You don't want to scratch it up. So what you want to do is this pin right here, this red pin. Some people say you push in, pull out. I've never really had luck with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull that out with the pliers that I suggested. And just like that, pops right out. Now as you can see, with the taillights I'm going to be using, you do need to use your original reverse light socket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect these because I will need these, and also the reverse light right there. I did purchase LED reverse taillights. I'll also put a link in the description for the review of that. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to pop these out like so, and this is going to go into that harness right there. But first, let's take this little protector off. Alright, then we have the first set right here. These are the GTR lighting 1000 lumen. And we're just going to put it in there. Let me put the camera down for you guys so I can do this with 2 hands. It's fairly easy. And at this point, we're going to take our original harness that we took out and we're going to put the other end into there. like so. We're just going to pop those off. I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use the ones that are on my truck already. So now, all we have to do is put the taillight in and connect it. So I'm going to start by connecting the taillight. Just bear with me, guys. So the way these taillights are going to work is this adapter that came with the taillights, this is not going to go into your factory plug. You're going to take your factory harness and it's going to go in here like so. Okay, and then factory harness is going to plug right back into your vehicle like that. Make sure you hear the click. We're going to take the red clip, put the red clip back in. Like so. So at this point, what we have done so far is we used our factory harness for our original taillights. We plugged in our LED reverse lights into the 7440 socket. And then we used our factory harness to plug into the new taillights. So basically, what you want to do at this point is make sure that everything is going in. You don't want to crimp anything. Like so. The camera's all over the place. I apologize in advance. I'm currently doing this by myself. So we're just going to tuck that in there like so. And we are going to just make sure that everything is lined up. Just like that. There we go. Here's the LED in there. So at this point, we're going to put the screws back in. And just like that, simple. As you can see, the seams are very nice, as well as down here. So basically all we have left to do is this side. And there she is. Now I'm just going to go in, and what I'm going to do now is turn the car on to accessory mode so we can see what they look like. It might be a little hard to tell right now that it's daytime. I'll try to do another video tonight when it's darker out, but I mean, you can see that it's all lit up right there. And then what we'll do now is we'll test out the blinker, or we'll do the hazards. And these are the hazards. This is what it would look like if you use a blinker as well. I just put the hazard on as it's easier, so they both go on. That's pretty much it, guys. I mean, so far I love it. It's different. It will definitely get the attention of the person behind me. Now, as far as the reverse lights, being that I'm by myself, I won't be able to really test that out. I want to see if maybe if I use my keys, if it will do anything. But yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't do anything as far as that. But so far, I'm definitely liking them. I'm dying to see what they look like tonight and when it's darker out, but they're definitely bright, and the quality of them, I mean, it looked like it's from the factory. Let's just put it that way. And again, these are the Recon OLED scanning taillights. I will post a link to them as well, and I will also post a link to the unboxing video I did with them. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. As always, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It definitely helps me out. I am new to this channel, and any kind of support I can get, I would really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Hey guys, so I waited till it's a little bit darker out to show you what the tail lights look like when it's dark, and also to show you the LED reverse lights that I put on. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to turn the parking lights on so we can see how nice they look. So these are going to be the parking lights. I think it looks very nice. I like the design of them. From back here, I mean, it kind of looks like a face, if I can get the right angle here. Then what I'll do right now is I'll put the hazards on without the parking lights, just so you get to see how bright they are. So this is what it is. See if I can get a close-up shot here. As you can see, they are definitely bright, and I think it looks pretty nice. It's definitely different. It'll definitely get someone's attention that's behind you. I like the sequential part of it. Kind of goes with my Morimoto headlights. I have them set up as sequential as well. I think my next step is going to be doing a sequential floodlights, door lamps, whichever you guys say they are. I also had these installed. These are my Amp Research power boards. I also have rock lights as well. I have 2 in each wheel well. They are RGB. I can change them into different colors. I prefer white. I think it looks cleaner. But yeah. So just for giggles, I'm going to turn the hazard lights off and just put the blinker on. So this is what it looks like with just a blinker. Looks pretty nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set the camera down. I'm going to try to get the reverse lights in the shot here. I'm just going to place this down as best as I can. And hopefully you guys can see the reverse lights. So as you can see, they are bright. It's kind of hard to do this with just one person. If I had my daughter out here or my son holding the camera, I don't know how it would turn out. But yeah, so far I'm very happy with them. They do look nice, as well as the LED lights for the reverse. It's definitely a nice product. Definitely changes the way the truck looks. So if you guys have any comments or questions, I'll try to answer them as best as I can to my knowledge. You can leave a comment below. I'll also post a link of the items that I have here, the products, in the description. You guys can check them out. This is not a paid sponsorship. It's not a paid review. I bought these with my money. Everything that I show here right now is bought and paid for by me. No sponsorships. I do have LED license plate lights that I'm gonna put in. I'll do that on another day. But yeah, like always, if you like what you see, you want to see more, like and subscribe. Anything helps. And I'll catch you guys later.